crocodile bud. In a muddy river with a happy grin lived Silly Willy with a toothy chin. He wore a hat all polka dot style. "Oh, look at me," said the crocodile. The Silly Willy crocodile.
He danced on lily pads 2 by 2, wiggled his tail and lost his shoe. He brushed his teeth with jungle slime and sang la 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 at lunchtime.
The Silly Willy crocodile. Silly Willy, what a show, wearing socks from head to toe. He made the monkeys laugh all day with silly jokes and games to play. The Silly Willy crocodile. He baked banana pies with care, but spilled the flour everywhere.
He jumped through vines like skipping rope.
Got tangled up. Oh, nope, nope, nope. The Silly Willy crocodile.
He played a flute made out of reeds and fed the fish with jelly beans. He wore sunglasses late at night. I'm super cool.
A funny sight. The Silly Willy crocodile. He painted stripes on a zebra's face, then ran around in a sack race.
He tried to roller skate on shells, but splash went tumbling. Oh, that smells!
The Silly Willy crocodile.
He played at hide and seek with birds.
But hid behind a leaf
So absurd!
with flowers stuck between his teeth.
He grinned a garden underneath.
The Silly Willy crocodile. Silly Willy, wild and free. He even tried to climb a tree.
But crash he landed with a smile. I'm okay, said the crocodile.
The Silly Willy crocodile. Now every beast from far and near comes to laugh and give a cheer. For jungle life is twice the fun.
With Silly Willy in the sun.
The Silly Willy crocodile. If you want a friend like the Silly Willy crocodile, please subscribe.